If you have been following this channel, then you should know how to create AI pictures already. And from our last AI tutorial, someone asked me to teach her how to generate AI pictures that looks exactly like her. So to answer her, I decided to make this video so that everyone can learn from it. Do you know why I wanted to learn from her question too? Um, Okay, let me tell you something. You see, if regular AI pictures can boost your brand presence, what about making the AI pictures to look exactly like you? Think about it. If you want to make money from it, brands are ready to pay more because you are not just easing them stress of snapping pictures every day, but also reflecting their brand image. Well, the truth is that there is no way you can create AI picture that looks exactly like you. But after this video, you'll be able to always create AI pictures that looks like you. What am I even saying? Few seconds ago, I just said that there is no way you can generate AI pictures that looks like you. Then now I am saying that after this video, you will be able to create AI picture that looks like you. It doesn't make sense, right? Okay, here is it. Today, I'm going to teach you how to swap your face with those AI pictures we generated from the last video. Before we dive into the face swapping magic, for those of you who haven't seen my previous video on how to generate AI pictures, here is the video. You need to watch it because without generating AI pictures, you will not be able to swap your face. Yes, you generate AI pictures first before swapping your face with it. I will also drop the link in the description so that you can get it faster. Swapping your face with an AI picture is not complicated at all. It's easier than you think. And trust me, the result is jaw-dropping. And by the end of this video, you will always have the opportunity to swap your face with those beautiful AI pictures and environments. You know the drill, right? Every day, new pictures, new environments, new activities. All you have to do is to imagine any structure, environment, and the activities you want in it. And voila, you are there already. Yeah. So let's go and swap our face with our dream structure, activity, outfit, and environment. Let's go.
So I want to convert this picture to, okay, let's use this face. Let's use this particular face. Even if the picture is full, you don't have to crop or anything to still capture the face. So let's go to Chrome. I'll give you two of the tools I use. Although one is the popular one, which is the remarker.ai. Look at it here. Remarker.ai. Then to come to this place, this is the interface. Though it has some limits that you can use it to. Sometimes they can give you 21 credits. Look at the credits here. Sometimes they can give you less than that. But let's assume it's 25. So you have to log in with your email. If you have two emails, it's to your own advantage. So you can finish this credit and switch to another email to use. But if you have just one email, you just have to be intentional about what you want to do so that you will not waste the credit for nothing. That is it. So here I say upload the original image. So the image you want to switch to is what you will upload. So this is the original image, is here. Then upload target face. You click on it too. This is the targeted face. Done. Then swap one. We are waiting for it to swap. So this is the AI before. Look at it here. Then this is the one we swapped to. And another thing is that while creating the AI, if you are chubby, if you are slim, you know your shape, you know your weight, you can add it so that your face will blend with the body. That is it. You just download it here and it will go to your gallery. So already see there's a resemblance at least. Don't forget the first one is remarker.ai. Then the second one is faceswapper.ai. 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 It usually give 5 credits. The first one, you have to put the picture you want to swap to before your face. But this time around, in this particular website, you have to input the picture, like your own personal picture first before the AI. So let's do it. We're using this is what we are using. Then most of the picture. Let me use this. I've used the other one already. So see, this is what we want. We want this face to go to here. This one takes longer. I usually use this when I've exhausted the credits I have in the other website. Let's see what it will give us here. Yeah, it's not bad, right? It's not bad. It's not bad. I don't even know the one that fits better, but I think it's not bad. Let me save. You just still have to save it and to go to a gallery. So let's go to our gallery. This is the picture that we generated before. Then this is one we did. The face is not bad at all. So that is it.
Yes, we are back. Henceforth, you will be able to consistently swap your face or your client's face with an AI picture anytime, any day. If you have come this far, congratulations. And before we go, here is a takeaway for you. Number one, no. Number one, make sure you use high quality pictures to ensure that your face swaps look clean and smooth. Number two, create perfect AI picture that match your body so that your face can blend in perfectly. You don't want to create a chubby AI picture and swap it with a slim face. You won't like the results, seriously. Well, we are done for today. But don't forget to like this video if you learned something awesome today. Subscribe for more and turn on the notification bell for more valuable, actionable videos. Let me know in the comment section what you love about this video, and don't forget to drop anything you want me to make video about. Thank you for watching. Go forth and create beautiful AI pictures of yourself, and see you in my next video. Bye.